Welcome to Webstyle Plus. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit bell icon. In your freelancing career, you will see a lot of clients. Take an example of Fiverr or Upwork. At Fiverr, you create a gig, use best title and description for the gig, create package for the gig, upload few images for your gig, and hope for the clients to notice what you're offering. Over the time, you optimize your gig and apply good SEO practices. Finally, you get some attention and clients start to communicate with you. You get some orders, you do some work and get some reviews. At Upwork, you create awesome profile, complete all the doables and then start searching for projects. You place bids on projects and get the projects. With right mindset, consistency and hard work, you will win some projects for sure. At Fiverr, mostly you will win small projects. At Upwork, you may get bigger projects. These are networks that offer you opportunities. Same networks provide opportunity for buyers and employers as well. Mostly clients need to get a single job done, but there are many returning buyers as well. Consistent clients that are looking for freelancers. They look for consistent freelancers, flexible enough to work long term with clients. Observe clients. Many of them are in a hurry. Many will bargain and try to convince you to bring projects budget down. Best clients are usually those clients who are not in a hurry. Best clients value their time, project, and quality of work. They will prefer better and consistent communication with you. They may bargain, but they will tip you if you exceed their expectations. Exceeding expectations is working to your full potential and deliver project in budget and in time. Work quality should be good as well. If the client is good, he will give you tip and will return for more work. Those are most valuable clients. Value those clients who return. So if I sum up few qualities, those are: number 1, clients who are not in a hurry. Number 2, clients who communicate well. Number 3, clients who understand if you suggest better alternatives. Number 4, clients who give you tip if you complete project in time. Number 5, clients who return for more work. Those are the best clients, and as a freelancer, you should do your best to keep them and go long term with them. Share your good and worst experiences as a freelancer in comments if you like. I hope you like this video. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.